Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. Welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing you guys an unboxing. I finally did it. I finally bought skincare products to build my skincare routine. And I haven't consulted doctor, so bear with me. I don't know if the products are the right products for me, but I just really wanted to start off like having a skincare routine. So I researched a bunch, I studied the products, I saw a bunch of reviews and everything. I think these are the products that fit me, but nonetheless, I will be just testing them for the next 1 month or two, just to see if they do the things that I want them to do, and if my skin just reacts the way it should react. If it doesn't, I will tell you either way, so don't worry, bear with me and stay tuned for that video. But for today, we are going to do an unboxing. I'm so excited about everything from Lookfantastic because they just have a bunch of brands there. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish I paid my own money. But yeah, they just have a bunch of brands and they just have a bunch of treatments for each skin problem, hair problem, body problem, anything they have there. So I highly recommend you to just go down there on the description box. I have the links if you are interested in building your own skincare routine or just in general of just buying products for yourself. They are amazing and I highly recommend. Also, the shipping was very fast, so yay. I haven't ordered anything from Lookfantastic, so I'm super duper excited. Let's open up. Oh, this packaging is all damaged. Oh no. Oh no, I can't close it. I have here the skincare routine that I just envision myself having. So I'm going to follow the steps and just introducing you to the products that I bought. For the first step of the routine, we have the cleanser. This is the one that I chose from CeraVe. I don't know how to say it, I think it's that way. But this is just an hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin, which I think it's very important. And also it's fragrance free, which is very important for your skin. It's not aggressive, so yeah. This is also developed by dermatologists, and I saw a bunch of videos of dermatologists just talking great things about this product, and so I decided to get it. I'm very excited. I've never had a cleanser before, and this is like my little baby now. So very exciting. Then I have exfoliation. I'm just excited to have one that is meant to be using daily because I don't know, it's the step on the routine that I really value because it just feels like my skin is already like, I don't know, ready to go. This is a step that I can't just skip, you know, so very exciting. For that same purpose, I also got the Ordinary. This is lactic acid 10% with HA. I bought this one and people say that it's meant to be used, for example, once a day, not like on the morning or at night, just once a day. But I feel like this is the product that I want to try once a week, and then I can just be introducing it like twice a week, for example. But this one is a product that a lot of people talk great things about. I just feel like I had to try, and the products, like the prices are amazing. The Ordinary line is so cheap that I was just very, I don't know, attracted to. So this is the product that I'm going to be trying as well for exfoliating. So then for the toning part, I bought this toner. It's from The Ordinary, of course. It just says glycolic acid 7% toning solution with a pH around 3.6. All the products from The Ordinary, you have here the directions of usage so you don't like misuse the product and have like bad experience with the brand. So very exciting. For the eyes, I just bought these under eye masks. I've never tried these ones before. They come with 3, and I think it's so exciting to just have like patches here. These are supposed to be used for 20 minutes and then you just peel them off with only natural ingredients, and so I just really wanted to try, and this is what I'm going to be using for my eyes. So then for the serum part, the next step after the exfoliation, we have the toning and then we have the serum for the things that I've learned. I have for the serum of the face, I have these niacinamide 10% plus 1 zinc. I don't know if this is how you say the name, but from The Ordinary, of course. They have just amazing prices, and the quality of this product, everyone says that it's amazing, so I just really wanted to try. And this is high strength vitamin and mineral blemished formula for imperfections. And then for the eye, I also had Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% with GCG. So it just reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and of puffiness. So once again from The Ordinary, these are both serums that I'm going to be using. The Ordinary Caffeine for my eyes, and then the imperfections for the rest of the face. For the next step that they recommend to do once a week, preferably on like a Sunday night whenever you're relaxed, I bought these two face masks. I know that I always use the same face masks. This is the only like skincare routine thing that I had going on because I just love these masks so much. I just see improvements on my face. It is what it is. I bought two from their website, the Lookfantastic website. I highly recommend these face masks, and you only have like one to use, but then with cotton pads I just like to go put the mixture and just apply a little bit on my face. I don't know if that's healthy or not, and if you should do it or not, but I really appreciate these face masks and I couldn't live without them. For the moisturizer step, I also bought one for The Ordinary. Of course, I'm sorry, this should be just The Ordinary haul. I bought this that is 100% plant derivative Jaime Squalene. I don't know how to say it, but this one, I feel like once again The Ordinary company has high quality products and it's low cost, so for starters I think this is a perfect thing to have on your routine. But once again I will test everything and then tell you if it worked or not and how my skin reacted to which product. So yeah, I really like this one. This is the moisturizer that I'm gonna be using. And we have the sunscreen. Can you bet which is the brand that I choose the sunscreen from? The Ordinary. This is the Mineral UV Filters SPF 15 with antioxidants. I just read a bunch of reviews on this product and everyone talked like weird things about it, so I really wanted to try and I wanted to have a sunscreen for my face on my own. Once again, they have the directions of appliance here on all the packages. Then my skincare routine is over, but I also bought more things to add to the skincare for more critical times. I bought these from La Roche-Posay, and basically this just targets imperfections. So whenever I have a bunch of pimples, I will just, like a pen, I will just pin on them and let it sit. This was probably the most expensive product of all, but it was like 10 euros or something, and I just feel like if it works, it could be something very interesting on my routine. And then just because I have very dried lips, I also bought these. I wanted to show you the packaging, but the packaging came really bad, as you saw in the beginning. This is just a protective lip balm first repair, and I feel like it's gonna help me because my lips are so dry. I don't know, I've put a bunch of like lip balms and everything, but it doesn't work. So it's just these little cute package with hopefully my lifesaver in there. So then the last product that I bought, that I actually bought because then you have just samples over here that I'm gonna talk about them as well, but I just bought these hair protective oil so it can be just protected from heat and everything for like the curling irons and so on. And so yeah, I just bought one because I didn't have one, and I feel like this is crucial whenever you're styling your hair. So to finish this unboxing, I would just want to present you the samples that I choose from. So I choose this one that is just a shampoo so I can use, and then this one that is a hair mask, important for my hair, especially because I dyed it. And I also have just this cream. I don't know how to use it, but I will study and then eventually try it out. And yeah, these are all the products. So as you can see, I bought a bunch of things, but I have a very complete just skincare routine now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a like and subscribe. Also comment down below what's your skincare routine if you have one, and if you recommend any of these products. I'm sorry. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just give it a like, subscribe down below. Oh, and comment what is your skincare routine. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.